Funeral services have been set for a Wisconsin state trooper who was killed on his first day of duty.
Trooper Trevor Casper died Tuesday night in a shootout with a bank robber in Fond du Lac. He just graduated from the academy back in December. Trooper Kyle Dudek roomed with Casper in Fort McCoy, and he says Casper was outgoing and a lot of fun.
When I found out who it was and got confirmation on who it was, I was just devastated. It was very hard to take in.
Services for Trooper Casper will be held Sunday in his hometown of Kiel.
Authorities are identifying two teenagers killed in a car crash near Highmount and Lloyd in Milwaukee this week. 17-year-old Jamar Kennedy and 16-year-old Marquise Tate died yesterday afternoon. Two other people in the stolen car were hurt. The driver blew a stop sign and hit another car. Two nurses who lived nearby rushed in to help.
Then he woke up, he flexed his head, looked back, he started screaming, "My brother, my baby brother, oh God, don't let him be dead." He was just screaming. It was so heart-wrenching to hear that.
The driver of the other vehicle was not injured.
More now on the breaking news we've been following in New York City. A building collapsed after an explosion and fire. Two nearby buildings also caught fire. At least 12 people were hurt, 3 critically. Investigators believe a gas leak caused that explosion.
Well, you ask, we investigate, and one of our stories helped a viewer get $3,500 from the city of Milwaukee. A snowplow damaged a man's fence last year. When he called the city to file a complaint against the driver, he got nowhere. But after the I-Team investigated, the viewer took a different approach, and now it's paid off. He got a check for $3,500 yesterday, so obviously the I-Team getting results.
And that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Time to check our forecast.
Here's Chief Meteorologist John Milan.
We're coming up to the end of March, and the temperatures are chilly. Today's high 39 degrees. Around this time of the year, we should be around 46 degrees. Our low, 31. We're going to be below that for high temperatures tomorrow. So we're sitting in a very chilly air mass at the moment. Temperatures in the 30s everywhere across the state. 37 Madison, 31 high temperature in Rhinelander. This air coming in from the north is our air for tomorrow, and we'll see temperatures only around 30 degrees for highs on Friday, and that's with plenty of sunshine. 36 at the Twin Cities, 37 in Fargo today, 36 Sault Ste. Marie. There's our high at 39 with 46 in Des Moines. So there's still a lot of mild air out to the south and west in the Plain States, but certainly not getting here. Through the evening hours, you're going to see wind chills overnight in the low to mid 20s with 24 in Milwaukee. As we get to the morning hours, check this out. 9 is the wind chill in Milwaukee, 6 in Waukesha, 5 West Bend, Beaver Dam, and also Fond du Lac. And then make sure when you wear that bigger jacket in the morning hours, you keep it around all day. By 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, wind chills again, only in the mid-teens in most locations. Starting to warm up, though, out to the west as we look for a slightly warmer air pushing in by Saturday. But right on into Saturday, we're looking at wind chills basically in the teens, and they will then finally jump up on Saturday. Overnight low temperatures tonight, 17 in Waukesha, also West Bend, Burlington 17, Whitewater at 17 degrees. And we're also looking at flurry bands that'll be around for the nighttime hours, and you'll see those moving in, especially north of Milwaukee as we pull way out. There is a cold front rolling through. You can see there is clearing coming in behind it. We should enjoy some of that clearing during the day tomorrow. So the front rolls through on our computer models. Clouds along the lakeshore, maybe with that northerly wind. Again, a few flurries or so, mostly sunny skies. Tomorrow night, watch the winds go back to the northeast a little bit, so there's a chance of a couple lake effect flurries near the lake, of course. And then on Saturday, we're just going to see the winds start to shift back to the south, and that'll be slightly warmer in for Sunday. 18 degrees tonight. Very chilly for this time of the year. A few flurries, mostly cloudy skies and brisk northerly winds. For tomorrow, sunny to partly cloudy, breezy and cold north winds, still up there at 10 to 20 miles per hour, a high of 30 degrees. And then tomorrow night, mostly clear skies, 13 inland, 18 at the lakeshore. But again, nearer to the lake, could see a few scattered lake effect flurries, and you could see lake effect flurries morning hours on Saturday, partly to mostly cloudy, 40 inland, 36 at the lakeshore. Your Storm Team 4 7-day forecast, a little warmer on Sunday. That's where we should be this time of the year with a rain or snow shower. And then on Monday, we're up to 50, 53 with sunshine on Tuesday, and both on Wednesday and Thursday, mid to upper 50s.